Welcome to Talk News Radio, brought to you by HardRider Motorcycle at hardridermotorcycle.com. We report on performance motorcycle news, rider news, and stories that are making headlines around the world. So stay tuned for this episode.
March 4, 2022. FDA dumps 55,000 pages of Pfizer safety data per judge's order. The truth is now coming out. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has released 55,000 pages of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine safety data, and it doesn't look good. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, attempted to delay the release of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine safety data for 75 years despite approving the injection after only 108 days of safety review on December 11, 2020. The FDA originally said that they were prepared to release 500 pages per month in a response to the Freedom of Information request filed on behalf of public health and medical professionals for transparency requesting the safety data. Instead, in early January 2022, Federal Judge Mark Pittman ordered them to release 55,000 pages per month. They released 12,000 pages by the end of January. Since then, Public Health and Medical Professionals for Transparency has posted all of the documents to their website. The latest drop happened on March 1, 2022, and shows alarming statistics. One of the members of the Public Health and Medical Professionals for Transparency, Dr. Aaron Kariadi, tweeted a link to the documents and noted that an analysis would be coming soon. A few hours later, he again tweeted, this time noting that oncologists will be busy in the coming years. In a massive drop of the clinical overview, Table 59 shows the percentage of subjects reporting at least one adverse event following dose 1, dose 2, and the control group, i.e. placebo. This table shows that the vaccinated suffered fever, chills, shakes, tremble, and pain 13 times more than the placebo group. In another document, the appendix, list of adverse events of special interest totals over 8 pages in length. It's a monstrosity of a list, but a search for death yields neonatal death and sudden unexplained death. There is an international research of scientists, doctors, and many other specialists looking into the COVID worldwide vaccination. Thousands and thousands of people have become billionaires. Could it really all be a world scam? More to come. Brought to you by Talk News.